My mom needs laptop for her online class, but she can't afford a new one. So we look for legit shops from SHOPEE that sell second-hand laptops, but in good condition. We found this shop Binky99. Seems legitimate, it has lots of positive reviews. So if you want to buy affordable laptop, just visit Binky99 on SHOPEE. This is HP ELITEBOOK 2560p. It is good for online class purposes. For programming, video editing, movie marathon, and etc. This is second-hand, so the battery only lasts for an hour. But you can replace it with a new battery. I will put a link in the description below. You can choose other brands from the same shop. It takes seconds to launch an app. Don't hesitate, just add to cart.